the bulbs I got from Diesel LED. They're the 1356-P in white by Lumenex. So that's them. I'll put a link in the description. Like I said, they're definitely brighter than stock and definitely brighter than the junkers that I bought from Amazon. And the ones from Amazon, they're not junk, it's just they're not brighter. They're definitely whiter and they look good, but yeah. Okay, remove these two bolts there and there that are 8mm. And then you pull the taillight straight out. There's a little tab here, tab down here, and a tab up here. Okay, pull it out. You can see there's one tab right here, and then one down there. One down there. So you turn the bulb out. Like I said, I had LED bulbs in there already from Amazon, which don't buy them. I'll put them in the link and say don't buy, because I mean, unless you want white looking lights, they look nice, but they're not brighter than stock really at all. And that was the whole point of putting these in, so I can get brighter than stock bulbs. So that comes out, and this guy plugs in to that plug and then screws in there. I thought that they sent me the wrong ones and I bought the wrong ones because I unplugged this harness back here and I took the whole socket out like a dummy, but it actually plugs into there. So very quick response from these guys, and back in business. So yep, put it in now. And they say if the light doesn't light up, just take this plug back out, flip it, plug it back in. So this one is in there and it works. If you're like me and you have the tailgate shock, you have to pop this off first to be able to get to this bolt back here, right here. That's it. Other side's in there too. So I'll get a video at night. Yes, these reverse lights are much better than stock and much better than those Amazon ones I have earlier in the video. So they are bright. Very happy. I recommend it. Ride the earth, like, subscribe, all that junk. All right, later.